Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So this is NaNoWriMo week, and if you probably gonna hear my mom in the background because you know she don't want y'all to know she's here, but she here. So anyway, so this is prep day. This is the day before NaNoWriMo. So gonna do some errands, get my notes together so I can start this book. If you guys are new, I am in the Caribbean genre, as in Caribbean romance. That is a genre I write about. A lot of it is intertwined with family saga. So, but that is a genre that I prefer to write, which is Caribbean, specifically Jamaican. I am Jamaican. So, but I have so far, like, this is where I've been keeping my notes, and I have some flashcards I'm going to be working on because I just want to post it so I can like have my chapters like all organized. So that's the thing. Then I have my journal ready because tomorrow is also the first day for a journal mode challenge. So follow me over on Instagram, and if you see this video late, you can jump in at any time. There is a calendar where each day there's a word prompt, and so definitely check it out. So I am going to do an unboxing because I got the last of my birthday gifts. Now I've been throughout the month of October like doing little videos of things that I've gotten, and this is the ones that I was really excited about because this is going to set me up for my journal for next year. So I wanted to do something different, something right in the journal that I never tried before. So I requested it for my birthday. So my family got me bulk of it, and then my friend also got me a box. So what it is, yeah, this is happening. So I'm gonna open it up because I don't know what's in them. I know what I requested, but I don't know exactly what's in them. So we're gonna open this up, and you can see. So first is this one. Oh wow. Wow. So basically my brother ordered, my stepfather paid, and my mother delivered. That was a cool effort. I didn't pick any of this, to be honest, but I think he thought I would really, oh, this is so nice. It feels bumpy like because of the stitching, but it's so cool. And it has a box. Oh, this is so nice. And move some of this stuff over. Oh wow, yeah. So he basically said I needed something to travel with. So this is, I can have storage to put my journal. So let me see if my journal actually fits in here. Actually it does. So he did good. My brother did good. This is really nice. Really nice. Yeah. I am going to tell him he did really good. I will call him mother and tell him he did good. So here's the bigger box. So, oh, I have no idea, guys. Alright, so I have a package full of guys, he got, well, this is the pen I think you get. Is this the one I think you get? Yeah, this is the one you get for free. But guys, he got me a fountain pen. I got a new fountain pen. Oh, this is so cool. He got me a fountain pen, and he got me ink. He got me a bunch of ink. So he knows I love writing with fountain pens, so this is so cool. I got a fountain pen. Yes. Alright, what I really wanted was the day free. So this is what I really requested. So I wanted the day free because I wanted to have my own date. I don't want my date to be on there, because sometimes I use more than one page when I'm writing my journal for the day, and I wanted it to have so this comes with the pamphlet, which I've seen so many times on videos, so I'm not going to even open it. And then, oh, let's see how thick this page is. Oh yeah, oh yeah, it does sit. So with the day free, I think you only get the monthly. Yeah, you only get the monthly, and it goes all the way to March of 2022. But so I'm not sure what I'm gonna really do with the monthly, because I don't know, we'll see. But I am gonna use the index part to put what word of the day for each day. That's the whole thing. So yeah, this is good. So far so good. Why does this... Oh, the cover. Oh my god, the cover. I really haven't seen anybody with this cover. And then you have these. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then this, the 2 loop. Oh yeah. Guys, I don't think I'm going to get the cover for cover. I think I'm going to be alright with this. And if it start looking old and dingy over time, it's just adding to the character of it. So yeah, because I'm not a big fan of plastic, but I really like how this feels. But it is kind of a light color, so it's probably going to get dirty. But I think I could live with that. But yeah, so that is it for the first box. So cool, so cool. I'm going to keep this in here. Alright, let's get to the next box. So the small box, this is from my friend, and let's see what's in it. Oh, so another pen, I think it's the freebie. Oh goodness. Okay. Oh, so another day free, which I appreciate because I don't think one will last me a year. Absolutely not. So I'm gonna really appreciate having a
line like that in New York.
Yeah.
Okay. The line is different for seniors than the regular people.
So anyway, so this one is an extra one that I need. And then I also got a notebook. Yeah, let me see the notebook. So, ooh. Oh, they have different color on the pages. Yeah, and I don't know how many pages it is, but the notebook is thicker. It's thicker than it. Yeah, it's thicker, so there's more pages. So I have enough that should last me an entire year for 2021. So yeah, that's it guys. So I am going to pack this back up, and I am going to head over to BJ's. We gotta get some bulk stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to use these. Thanks. Thanks! Hey guys, so today is day 2. So, yesterday when I started writing, I was trying to get in the groove of it. I know what I wanted to write, and it took me a little while all day. I was like, and then I got a little frustrated a little bit, so I decided to take a nap. And then when I got back up, I was really good. So I was able to crank out 2,600 something words. So I was good about it. And then so far, I wrote 1,000 words so far today. So if I could get to 5,000 today, that would be the goal. But anyway, so yeah, but guys, it is freaking winter today. Look at me, 35 degrees. Yeah, and I don't know if you can tell on that car, if you can see the snow. Yeah, that's snow right there in that car. So, and it's just supposed to be today and tomorrow, and then it's supposed to get warm back in the 60s. I don't know what this is, but I'm not feeling it. So, but I am probably going to be ending this particular vlog today. Like, I'm going to end it later on in the evening after I've completely put my words in for the day. And then edit it, because this way they'll be up on Tuesday, because my internet, guys, is slow. I don't know what to do. I don't know, I mean, where I'm at is very woodsy, but the internet is slow, so it takes a little, like, most of the videos you see me uploading, which is what, anything from 15 minutes or longer, it takes about 2.5 hours, 3 hours to upload. That's how slow my computer is. When I'm at my parents', 5 minutes, not even that, sometimes less than that. The internet is so fast, but I don't know what's going on, and it's just frustrating, because I wish that my internet was much faster, so I wouldn't waste all this time trying to wait on it to upload. But yeah, but other than that, I'm enjoying. I'm really hype about my story, guys. I'm really hype. So I hope that this momentum continues for the whole month. Also, a journal mood, guys. There's so many new people this time around, and I'm loving the first day of it. I can't wait to see what today is. I think it's Twitter padded, something like that. I had to look it up because I didn't even know that was a word. But that's a word for day 2. And I'll put it here because I'm pretty sure I'm probably not pronouncing it right. But I was so, like, psyched about it because I said, good. I'm like that. I was getting some words I've never seen. But yeah, but I'm going to get something to eat and get writing and warm up. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm ending it here. I'm actually backing up my file. So guys, make sure every time you finish, you back up the file. You don't want to have what happened to me. I think this is the first panorama. I think I lost some because I wasn't backing up, but I back up on 3 different things, so just in case something happens. So I'm gonna end this here, but guys, I got over 5K for the first 2 days. That's a big thing, so I'm hoping to keep this momentum going, and I am going to, yeah, call it a night. It's actually not that late. It's only like 5 something, but you know, daylight saving time, everything is dark now. Like it's dark outside, guys. It's only 5 something, but yeah, gonna end it, relax, get my thought flowing, and yeah. How you guys doing? How you guys doing, guys?